Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyGummy token. Now the original Gummy token was very popular. That one got listed on MEXC Global, and this one is trending number 2 right now on Pink Sale. They have about 9 hours left of this pre-sale. This is on the Solana blockchain, a meme coin. It's a public pre-sale. They have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on the BabyGummy token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the BabyGummy token. Name of the token is BabyGummy. Ticker symbol is also BabyGummy. It says the OG's little homie by the Solana Kit dev. So if you've heard of Solana Kit, this is the same developer. Experienced dev with a hot record. This time he decided to introduce you to the OG's little homie, BabyGummy. Since everyone loves memes, we will show you how memes are done. Now they do have a full audit that you could review the PDF of on Pink Sale by CFG Ninja. Right now they're trending number 2 on Pink Sale. They have a Telegram, Twitter, webpage. So far they've had 146 contributors invest in this pre-sale. Max buy is 6 SOL. Their soft cap was set at 68 SOL. And so far they've sold 409.35 SOL worth of tokens, which is almost worth $50,000 in USD. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They have 568 million tokens for pre-sale, 134,900,000 tokens for liquidity. So there is no hard cap on this pre-sale. So basically it's just going to go until time runs out. There's about 9 hours left. It was kind of a short pre-sale, started May 1st, 2059, and goes till May 2nd, 2055. And if you miss this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to RAYDIUM for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding RAYDIUM, and then trading your Sol for the BabyGummy token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, gummy.baby. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but hopefully we can find that in a second here. And most likely it will go over to Jupiter, which is another Solana DEX, Orca, maybe some central exchanges. They do have some allocation for central exchanges here. Now it says, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart, 56.8% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 13.49% of the tokens go to liquidity, 20% goes to central exchange listings, and 9.71% of the tokens go to marketing. So they have a Telegram you can follow at BabyGummy on Sol. 259 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more. Their webpage here has a link to their Twitter and their Telegram. They have partners, tokenomics, info, contract address, link to pink sale all on their webpage. So it says, the Gummy fam just got lit. Introducing BabyGummy, the newest addition to the Solana crew. This little homie brings the same chill vibes as its OG, the Gummy token, reminding everyone to pass the sats. Get ready for some serious adorableness and potential moonage, fam. And yeah, there's lots of memes all over the place here, and then it says 0% tax. So you don't, if you're going to buy this token or sell this token later on off of RAYDIUM or Jupiter or any other DEX, you probably won't have to worry about slippage because it says no tax. It says 100% LP burnt. And their partners are PinkSale, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, AveDex, DexView, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. So basically those are all places you'll be able to see the charts after the token goes live, like Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Those are CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, probably Bird Eye as well. But these are places where you'll be able to see the price, the chart, all that type of stuff. And then, yeah, they have their full audit here by CFG Ninja. We could open that up here in a second. And then also their Twitter. So their Twitter I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual. Their Twitter is at BabyGummy on Sol. They just joined in May 2024. So this is like only a day or two old, this Twitter. And they already have 1,240 followers. 5 tweets, pretty active here. So they have pre-sale information here in their pinned tweet, talking about we will show you how memes are done. They have a couple little contests you can get involved with, just, you know, those retweet type of contests and whatnot here. And then they have their audit here, so we could check out their audit. So they've had 107 visits on their audit here. And they have a score of 84%. So it is a pass. And so there's no informational issues, no critical issues, no high issues, no medium issues, but there's one low issue. So that's why they didn't get a perfect score here. So it says it is pending still. It is not resolved. If you want to learn more about that, you can click on view findings. But just so you know, their audit is not perfect. Maybe they don't have a KYC, but if you know who this Solana kit dev is, then you know who he is, but I have no idea who he is, so I'm not sure if he's doxed or not. But not a perfect audit, so make sure you review that. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.